Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Melissa and Doug Toddler Toys is probably one of the most exciting toys for toddlers, offering a world of fun and learning. These toys are designed to spark imagination, encourage hands-on exploration, and support early childhood development. From colorful puzzles to engaging activity sets, Melissa and Doug provides a wide range of options that make playtime both enjoyable and educational. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Animals Puzzles, Fish and Pets. This set includes 2 jumbo knob puzzles. They are designed for little hands and offer a fun, interactive play experience. It's perfect for early learning. This puzzle features a puppy, kitten, and bird. The puzzle board is shaped like a house. It's a great way to introduce your child to different animals. This puzzle includes a fish, turtle, and crab. The puzzle board is shaped like a fishbowl. It's a fun way to learn about sea creatures. Each piece has an easy grip knob, making it simple for little ones to handle. Underneath each piece, there's a matching picture. This helps with matching and problem solving. These puzzles make a great gift for babies and toddlers. It's ideal for children aged 12 months to 2 years old. It provides hands-on, screen-free play. What we like? This puzzle set features large, easy-to-grip knobs, perfect for little hands. The matching pictures underneath each piece provide visual cues, making it easier for toddlers to succeed. If you are looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce your child to animals and problem solving, this is a great choice. What people say. Nice colors, solid wood, worth the price. My son easily handled the pieces and put them back at 19 months. Perfect for early puzzle skills. Large knobs make it easy for little hands. The thick wooden puzzle came shrink-wrapped and in perfect condition. My 1-year-old grandson loves it. It is such a great learning puzzle because it teaches through a picture of the shapes. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Cutting Fruit Set. This is the Melissa and Doug Cutting Fruit Set. It's a fun and educational toy for kids. They can learn about different fruits and how to cut them. The set includes 17 pieces of play food. It comes with a wooden knife, perfect for little hands. This set is designed for hours of imaginative play. All the pieces store neatly in a wooden crate. This makes it easy to keep everything organized. It also adds to the toy's aesthetic appeal. The beautifully painted pieces feature realistic details. This helps children recognize different fruits. It makes the play experience more engaging. The pieces are held together with self-stick tabs. They make a satisfying crunch sound when sliced apart. This adds a sensory element to the play. It's perfect for pretend play and introducing concepts of part and whole. It encourages creativity and helps children develop important skills. Kids will love it. What we like? This set includes beautifully painted wooden fruit pieces that stick together with self-stick tabs. The satisfying crunch sound when slicing the fruit adds to the fun. If you like to encourage imaginative play and teach your child about food and sharing, this set is perfect. What people say. The older grandkids have had them for years, and it also intrigued them that the knife cut the veggies apart, Velcro, and they had a lot of fun with them. Well crafted. Sturdy. Safe. He absolutely loves playing with it. Every morning, he gets up on his step stool, grabs the set, and starts cutting the fruit, which has been great for improving his fine motor skills. The pieces are all good quality and it works great to teach him the names of everything, colors and also how to cut things. It's not too hard to cut through the Velcro, but it's sturdy enough that it stay together. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Wooden Take-Along Barn Toy. This adorable barn comes with a flip-up roof and a convenient handle. It's perfect for little ones who love farm animals and imaginative play. The set includes 10 wooden farm-themed play pieces. They can fit into the corresponding holes on the barn. These chunky pieces are easy for small hands to grasp and maneuver. It helps develop fine motor skills and encourages matching and sorting. The pieces include a horse, pig, goat, sheep, chicken, dog, cow, tractor, and farmer. They are designed to stand up for pretend play. It's a great gift for children ages 2 to 5. It provides hands-on, screen-free play that sparks creativity. What we like? This take-along barn comes with farm animals and a tractor, encouraging creative play. The chunky pieces are easy for little hands to grasp and maneuver. If you have a toddler who loves animals and enjoys sorting, this barn is a fantastic option. What people say. My daughter loves playing with this farm. The pieces are wood, so I do not need to worry about any flimsy plastic. The colors are spot on, too. She loves to put the farm animals and the farmer and his tractor in the barn. The shape cutouts on the sides of the barn are the perfect size shapes for her little fingers, and it only took her a few minutes to figure out each animal had its own shape. It is well designed with colorful wooden shapes and no sharp or splintered edges. He knows which animals are which and the sounds they make. Having the functional visual guide to go along with the animal theme's nursery rhymes is great, and it's literally Old MacDonald in a box. He is also able to carry it around on his own. It's self-explanatory and easy to use. It is small enough to take in the car, and he literally bangs the wooden pieces on the walls and they hold up well. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Stack and Sort Board. This wooden educational toy is perfect for children aged 2 and up. It comes with 15 solid wood pieces, designed to help your child learn and play. The board encourages children to match shapes and colors. This activity helps develop their cognitive skills in a fun and engaging way. It includes a total of 16 wooden pieces. These pieces are durable and designed for little hands to grasp and manipulate. This toy is great for improving hand-eye coordination. It helps children develop fine motor skills as they stack and sort the pieces. The dimensions of the board are 4.5 inches in height, 2.5 inches in length, and 13.3 inches in width. It's a compact and engaging toy. What we like. This wooden board helps children learn to match shapes and colors. It's great for developing hand-eye coordination. If you are looking for a simple yet effective educational toy, this is a great choice. What people say. He is autistic nonverbal. He loves stacking, and this is a great tool to show him shapes and colors. The poles are also colored, so makes it easy for him to recognize. It is a solid toy with vibrant colors that I know will last us as a family for years to come. We have sorted by color, shape, and practiced counting with each item. Number 1. Melissa and Doug K's Kids Bowling Set. This is a fun bowling set designed for toddlers and preschoolers. It comes with everything needed for a game of bowling, including a ball and pins. The set includes a 4-inch indented ball and 6 character pins, all made of soft plastic. It's designed to be safe for young children to play with. When playtime is over, everything stores neatly in the included carrying case. This makes it easy to keep the pieces together and organized. This bowling set is part of the Melissa and Doug K's Kids line of early developmental toys. These toys are designed to encourage hands-on, screen-free play. This set makes a great gift for toddlers aged 2 to 5. It provides hours of fun and helps develop hand-eye coordination. What we like. This soft plastic bowling set is designed with fun character pins. It comes with a convenient carrying case for easy storage and transport. If you are looking for a fun, active game that is safe for indoor play, then it's the perfect choice. What people say. The colors are bright and vibrant. The material is strong and sturdy. The variety of figurines is great. The size of the bowling set is good also. My kid enjoys throwing the ball and trying to knock the pieces down. This toy is not only fun to play with, but also is very educational. You can teach your child the color, the animals, and the count. The bowling set functions in many ways. I'm happy I got it. Definitely recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.